Social ethics are necessary in a society. These social ethics origin in a society. Every individual must be responsible to create, to bring back and a better society in a better society. Without social ethics, there is no possibility to create. Social ethics are essential, too needy in a society. These are code of conduct. These social ethics are inherent in a society. These social ethics are inherent in a society. Every individual, every student must learn about a social ethics because we can mold, we can change every individuals become a good human beings through these social ethics. These social ethics are against to bad habits, against to discrimination. There should not be discrimination among the individuals. Social ethics teaches all human beings are same. There should not be specific identity among the people. That is against the social ethics. Social ethics. Every individual or human being must be treated as a common human being in a society. That is social ethics. Social ethics are like code of conduct which were origin in a society from ancient time to modern times. These social ethics cannot be protected by the judiciary system, but these social ethics are necessary because of need. Government of India as School of Secondary Board, Intermediate Education Board, they added these social ethics, ethical principles to know about good culture and good habits. These social ethics always based on morality. Moral principles are inherent in a society. These moral principles or ethical principles always teach us to individuals good things only. Individuals can learn how they should act in a society through social ethics. Through social ethics. So the social ethics, it will be in different forms. Social ethics is the collection of values from ancient times to modern times, which were created forefathers and forefathers. They are good habits of individuals, behavior of a given culture or group. Different kinds of people based on their race and tradition, they were created their own ethical principles. We are observing in a society these social ethics and ethical principles by elders of our family members. These social ethics are essential. We should adopt these social ethics to bring out a good society in our country. Social ethics are vary greatly from culture to culture. Social ethics are vary from culture to culture. Culture to culture. These are collective experience of people. Collective experience of people. From animal nature to civilized society, how they acted in ancient times, how these social ethical principles are inherent in a society. They were created by the forefathers and ancient people because of their experience. Because of their experience. So the social ethics are the philosophical or moral principles. Philosophical or moral principles. These are code of conduct in a society. Who are following these social ethical principles perfectly, they will be treated as good human beings, or good citizen, or good individuals, or good family members. So whoever trying to violate these social ethical principles, they are neglecting, and they are treated as bad human beings or bad individuals, like that. Examples of social ethics, they are morality. Individual human being must addict morality. Whatever responsibility, whatever functions assigned to him, he should try to addict morality, and he should expect highest loyalty on his morality about their duty or etc., whatever it is. And kindness, it is essential to every human being. Kindness is necessary. Kindness means human being should not be cruel. Ethical principles teaches you should be treated as a good human being through kindness. You should try to addict the kindness and responsibility. You should try to do something for this society, and also do good habits and good things and good works, and some other social ethical principles. They are humble, respect, not to harm anyone, take care of family members, and honesty, good habits, etc. These social ethics are always against to the bad things or bad works. Social ethical principles are inherent in a society. They were origin in a society. We cannot protect these social ethics through judiciary system, but these social ethics can change this society.